Hello traders, Chartman here. Today we're looking at NPWZ for October 18th, 2011, and we're going to do a technical analysis on this chart. What we're looking at is basically we can see the stock was moving in a pretty solid downtrend. We're going to take a red line here and annotate this particular move. We can see that we've got this resistance line that's basically pushing the prices lower over a period of several months, and we had a breakout on very nice volume. You can see that we just broke above the resistance on September 30th on low volume, and then the volume just came in and exploded, and the stock had a really nice run right up to 1.5 cents. So today basically what we're seeing is a consolidation pattern. So we have the first move up, and then we have a consolidation, and this is what we would call a pennant chart or pennant pattern in technical analysis. These can go either way, but what we're looking at is basically we've got this red line pushing the prices down, and we've got a support pushing up. And you can see that this is sort of the pattern here. Now, what we're going to watch for is either a break above the resistance. We could see a move back up to the 1.5 cent area where we're going to see some possible resistance. Next resistance is going to be around 2.5 cents where we had this high point up here. And if we break below support, we could probably find, if we break down, we could probably find support here right around 0.005 where we had some lows. Now, what we generally will watch for to determine which direction the price is going to move is we're going to watch for volume. Now, volume increasing is a very strong sign. It means interest is picking up in the stock, and a decrease in volume suggests that there's not a lot of interest or buying power or buying interest, and therefore we're probably going to see a pullback. Now, what happens here basically today is the breakout day or breakdown day. It actually broke above resistance and below support, but what we want to look for here is the volume, and you can see we had 5 million shares traded here, up from we had 180,000 shares traded yesterday, and we had just a few shares under 4 million today. So that's a huge increase in volume here. You can see that this red line here is 20-day volume average. You can see we broke right past that. So definitely a bullish sign here. As the volatility gets really tight, that interest coming back in is probably going to suggest this is going to be a nice runner. So we have the resistance up here at 1.5 cents. We've got the this is the 200-day moving average at 1.1 cents. Possible resistance to keep in mind there, and of course we've got this 2.5 cent resistance area as well that we could see. So definitely looking like we're going to see a continuation from the initial breakout here on September 30th. We're very likely going to see another move to the upside here, showing positive volume, and we should see a move up. Now, where you will want to possibly look for an exit is where the RSI peaks around 80. You can see the last run, it peaks around 80. Currently, it's at 49.04, so there's a lot of room to move to the upside. Thanks very much for watching. Keep in mind, I'm not an investment advisor, so don't take this as any buy or sell recommendation. Until next time, happy trading.